Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, Engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay. Now we are going to discuss a trigonometry related chapter, sum multiple angle. The problem is 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, prove that, equal to tan square theta by 2 plus pi by 4. Okay. As we know that the formula of sin theta in sum multiple form is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Left hand side equal to 1 means sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2. Okay. Divided by, similarly, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 means sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2. Okay. Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 whole square. Okay. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2. 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2, as the result will be tan square theta by 2 plus pi by 4 here. 1 means tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2 whole square. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Formula of this is tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Therefore, tan square pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Very easy to solve. If any doubt arises, please comment me. I will clear your doubt, and thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.